And I can show you some a few tricks that I know of using Google Sheets, and some of them I'm going to show that to you right now. Using this first and last name, you can make them. You can join them by using this option here, and then you can choose the name and put a punctuation mark there. Another. You have to put a space if you want to put a space between the first and last name. Another punctuation, and then select the second text, right? And then enter. Now, if you want to apply it to other first and last name, you can drag it like this, or you can just double click on the square on the lower right. Uh, Likewise, if you want to separate them or split them, you can do that by highlighting all of it. Then click on data, then split text, then select space. There you go. You can see. Another option could be another trick that I can show you is to if you want to make them a lowercase, you can do that by pressing the equal sign and then lower, then the open parentheses, then select the text, close, enter. If you want to apply it to other name, you can just or text, you can just double click on the square. There you go. Likewise, if you want to make it a capital letter, you can press the control the equal sign, then proper, and then open parentheses, and select the text and close, enter, and then double click. All right. Now another thing that I can also show you is if you want to make you want to know if this email are true or true format, you can do this equal sign and then okay, ISEMMAIL, and then open parentheses and select the text, and then the close, enter, true. If you want to apply to all, as you can see, it will going to tell you it's false. Okay. Another option that I can also show you, if you want this, if you want to clean the space between the name and the and on the left side, right? You can do that by using the trim, and then open, close, and enter. As you can see, if you want to apply it to others, you can do that there. Okay. I hope I show you my tricks using the Google Sheets. Thank you very much.